Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, as you know that millions of people have been displaced due to the ongoing war in the Tigray region, and thousands of innocent citizens have lost their lives. But the Ethiopian government has said that there was no effect on the people due to the war. Viewers, non-Tigrayan journalist who boldly spoke about Tigray genocide was silent by either killing or imprisoning. Viewers, Tedros is one of the journalists. A short clip of the video of Tedros we received with English subtitles. First watch the video, then we talk further.
እያልኩ ያሉት የትግራይን ጉዳይ ስናስብ ፖለቲከኞችን ማሰብ የለብንም ነው። እነሱን ካሰብን ተስፋ መቁረጥ ናቸው። በሁለቱም ጫፍ ያሉትን ፖለቲከኞች ማሰብ ያለብን ህዝቡን ነው። ህዝቡ በጦርነት እየተጎዳ ነው። የትግራይ ህዝብ በጣም በሚያሳዝን መልኩ በጦርነት እየተጎዳ ነው። የትግራይ ህዝብ በጣም በሚያሳዝን አይነት መልኩ በረሃብ እየተጎዳ ነው። ነገው ጨለማ ነው። የትግራይ ህዝብ ስለ ነገው ሲያስብ የሚታየው ጨለማ ነው። ብርሃን የሚታየው ህዝብ አይደለም። አንድ ክልል ህዝብ በሚሊዮን የሚቆጠር ህዝብ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ በዚህ አይነት ደረጃ ነው ያለው። ይሄ መሬት ላይ ያለ ሐቅ ነው። ከፍተኛ የሆነ የሰብአዊ መብት ጥሰት እየተፈጸመ በወራሪ አካላት በራሳችንም ጸጥታ አካላት ጭምር ከፍተኛ የሆነ የሰብአዊ መብት ጥሰት፣ ሴቶች በየቀኑ የሚደፈሩት አሰቃቂ በሆነ አይነት መልኩ 2 3 4 5 6 ወንድ ነው የሚደፍራቸው። ይሄ ትግራይ ላይ ያለ ሐቅ ነው። ቢመረንም ልንውጠው የሚገባ ማለት ነው። ቢመረንም ልንውጠው የሚገባ ነገ ከነገ ወዲያ የምናፍርበት ታሪካችን ነው። የምናፍርበት ህዝቡ እንዲህ ነው እየኖረ ያለው ትግራይ ውስጥ። በስነ ልቦና ደረጃ የትግራይን ህዝብ ለመስበር ታቅዶ እየተሰራ ያለ ስራ አለ። በስነ ልቦና ደረጃ ማለት ነው። በስነ ልቦና ደረጃ ይሄ እየተሰራ ነው። ቂም መወጣጫ እንዲሆን ፈቅደናል። የአንድ ግለሰብ ቂም መወጫ እንዲሆን የትግራይን ህዝብ መስዋዕት አድርገን ሰጥተናል። ይሄ ታሪካችን ነው። ይሄንን መገንዘብ ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ይሄንን በሚመለከት መንግስት ከማስቆም ይልቅ የማስቆም ፍላጎት ጭራሽ ሳይታይ እንደው በአንድም ይሁን በሌላ መልኩ ተባባሪ እየሆነ ነው ያለው። ይሄ ሲሆን ሌላው የኢትዮጵያ ህዝብ ዝምታን መርጧል። ይሄ ሲሆን የተወሰነ የህብረተሰብ ክፍል እንኳን ሆነ ብሎ አደባባይ ወጥቶ ደግፏል። ስለዚህ የትግራይን ህዝብ ልገንጠል ቢል አትንገንጠል የምንልበት ምንድን አይነት ምክንያት ነው ያለው?
But on the other hand, we are receiving reports that the Eritrean soldiers have massacred Tigrayans residing in Abala. It is not a surprise question that what Eritrean soldiers present in Afar region. Fact is that Eritrean soldiers present in Ethiopian National Defense Force uniform in all over Ethiopia. They are going door to door killing Tigrayan people. In the small town of Abala, near Afar Tigray border, Tigrayan civilians have been targeted by Fano, Eritrean and Afar regional forces. Sources have informed us that 100 plus have been massacred so far, and it is feared it might be a repeat of the Mekadra massacre. Because a government spokeswoman said on Tuesday the Ethiopian army was clearing rebellious Tigrayan forces from the northern Amhara and Afar region, dismissing Tigrayan statements that their forces were retreating voluntarily to create an opening for peace. And thousands of civilians have been killed as a result of the 13-month-old conflict, while around 4 lakh are facing famine condition in Tigray, and 9.4 million people need food aid across northern Ethiopia. Because the Tigray People Liberation Front, the party that controls the Tigray region in the far north of Ethiopia and is at war with the government, had announced its withdrawal from neighboring Amhara and Afar on Monday. As we have seen in recent weeks, the National Defense Force, together with the allied forces from the Afar region and the Amhara region, have made considerable gains in reversing the occupation of Tigray People's Liberation Front of many Amhara and Afar towns. Government spokeswoman Bilines Yom told a news conference, "These gains have been made in very heavy battles that have been undertaken over the past week, and the most recent being the full clearing of Tigray People's Liberation Front from North Volo zone and liberating its strategic capital Voldia." Which Belina said, she said the National Armed Forces was still in the process of clearing Tigray People Liberation Front forces, Tigray Defense Force, from pockets within the two regions. And Tigray People Liberation Front leader Debretsion Gebremichael has written to the United Nations calling for a no-fly zone over hostile aircraft over Tigray and arms embargoes on Ethiopia and its ally Eritrea, and a UN mechanism to verify that external armed forces have left Tigray. And asked about Debretzion's letter, Beline did not comment in detail on its content. "I do not even know if such an illegitimate entity can send such a letter to a national United Nations body," she said. "The Ethiopian government labels the Tigray People Liberation Front a terrorist organization, and the two sides blame each other for the war." The Tigray People Liberation Front accused Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed of wanting to centralize power at the expense of the regions, which he denies. And Abiy, whose appointment in 2018 brought nearly 3 decades of Tigray People Liberation Front dominance over Ethiopia to an end, says the Tigray People Liberation Front wanted to hang on to central power, and the Tigrayan leadership denies this. Asked about allegations by Tigrayan media and a Tigray People Liberation Front spokesman of air strikes by the Ethiopian military on civilian targets within Tigray over the past 2 days, Beline said the government did not target civilians. She said air strikes were conducted only to neutralize identified terrorist cells and terrorist hideouts. And Tigray People Liberation Front spokesman Getachew Reda had said on Twitter that 30 people have been killed in a drone attack on a public transport minibus in the town of Malazat, and similar strikes had taken place in Machu and Koram. And Tigray TV, a media outlet run by the Tigray state government, broadcast videos and photos of what it said was the aftermath of the alleged air strikes. Several dead bodies could be seen laying in pools of blood, and injured people were interviewed. Reuters could not independently verify the material. Redwan Hussein, State Minister of Foreign Affairs, said the Tigray People Liberation Front was presenting a misleading narrative and was on the back foot, according to a social media post by his ministry. However, the government does not have an intention to pursue an all-out military operation in Tigray, chasing the terrorist group in every village and town, but it will make sure that the Tigray People Liberation Front will not be able to wage on an attack anymore, the post said. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.